Dear friends, welcome to Nifty Indicators. Today, I would like to give you a Guru Mantra for day traders. I have used this for many years with excellent results, especially on a trending day. This is not sacrosanct and not useful if there is a swing in the opposite direction. Now, always keep the following in front of your trading terminal at all time. A. Yesterday's high, yesterday's low, and yesterday's closing levels. B. Pivot point, first resistance, second resistance, third resistance, and first support, second support, and third support. That is pivot point R1, R2, and R3, and S1, S2, and S3. C. 5-day moving average, 10-day moving average, 20-day moving average, 50-day moving average, 100-day moving average, and 200-day moving average. Near the expiry, be aware of what is the max pain level and always keep an eye on VWAP, that is volume weighted average price. Now the 6 points are as follows. If market opens above last closing, it's a bullish sign. If advance decline ratio is positive, it's a bullish sign. If open interest is positive, it's a bullish sign. If PCR has moved higher during the day, it's a bullish sign. If India-VIX is negative, especially if it is worse than 3%, it's a bullish sign. Sixth, last but not the least, if Nifty is moving up with higher volumes, it's a bullish sign. Now, if you see 4 of these 6, you can think market is going to end positive. If 5 of these 6, then strong positive. And if all 6 means probably a great day for bulls and vice versa. If any time during the day, if this is above yesterday's high, means market may not close in red. If it is any time below yesterday's low, means market may not close in green. Always be aware of where Nifty is, and remember, Nifty might take a turn near any of the A, B, or C mentioned above. That is, take A, B, or C mentioned above as the strong support and or resistance levels, as the case may be. If the opening is the day's high, it is a downtrending day. And if the opening is day's low, it's an uptrending day. All the above, mind you, are only indicators and nothing works 100% of the time. The above rules work in our favor more than 2/3 of time. Don't trust anything blindly. First back test it and then do the paper trading for some time. And if you believe it works for you, then and only then start executing it. Always use strict stop loss about 25 points away from your entry level and chase profit by raising your trailing stop loss. Take care. Thank you very much. As usual, before I say bye, I would like to request you to please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you very much.